Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network. That's AutoHunter.com, ClassicCars.com, and The Journal. And we are with Barrett Jackson at the 2022 Las Vegas auctions. Today we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful 1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe. Now, if you couldn't tell from looking at it, this vehicle is actually four-wheel drive. If you go ahead and take a look at the wheels down there, you'll see that those are the original Chevrolet 4x4 locking caps that are going to be underneath the vehicle. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at the engine bay up in here, you'll notice that this vehicle actually does in fact have the Chevrolet 350 engine. So if you go ahead and take a look here, you'll even notice that this vehicle has been equipped with AC. It even has all of the original factory equipment to restore it and make it look like a fantastic, fresh and new vehicle. Even if you look at the hood hinges, you can tell that everything's been refreshed and sort of gone through, including these, which would be very, very yellow by now. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at the side here, you'll notice we have some of the other custom badging, just kind of noting that we have a Chevy 350 in there, one of the greatest engines on the planet, being that you can find parts anywhere. Some awesome white finished wheels to go with this beautiful blue and white body, custom C10 badging, your standard sort of mirrors. But my favorite part about this truck, if you come up on the inside, check out this Highlander interior. It looks absolutely incredible. The blue and white plaid, I think, does a fantastic job of adding some extra flavor and design to the truck, and then you get a good idea of what all is going on here. Now, coming to the back, you'll notice this is actually a long bed truck, but it does have some spray and bed liner that is actually the same blue as the exterior of the truck. So if you get real close, you can kind of see some of the texture that's going on in here. That makes, what I would say, it makes what a simple build could be and makes it look like a much more expensive build. And it's one of those just simple touches that just looks so much better, being able to paint over the bed liner like that and make sure everything just looks color matched. And if you look at the back here, even these plastics have been replaced. The truck is just in immaculate condition. This is such a fantastic buy here at the auction. Now, that being said, if you like this video, you can go ahead and throw us a like. We'd really appreciate it. And make sure you get subscribed so you don't miss more content like this in the future. If you're looking for a collector vehicle for yourself, be sure to check out our online auction, AutoHunter.com, or check out our online classified marketplace, ClassicCars.com, where there's only 35,000 vehicles currently on the site. So with that, thank you so much for watching.